Hello students, now in this video we will study about the complex permanent tissue. Okay, what are the complex? Okay, before it we have studied about the simple permanent tissue. Now we will study about the complex permanent tissue. Okay, there are two types of permanent tissues. Get it? Okay, the simple permanent tissue is made up of only one type, one type of cell, but the complex permanent tissue is made up of more than one type of cell. Okay, but they have a common origin. Okay, and they work together. Okay, and do the one function only. Common function is there. Okay, but the cells are different. Okay, type is different. Get it? This is the difference between simple permanent tissue and complex permanent tissue. Get it? Okay, and complex permanent tissue help the plant to survive in terrestrial environment. Okay, get it? In the land, terrestrial mean the plants that found on the land, they are known as terrestrial plants. Okay, so this tissue help a plant to survive in terrestrial environment. Get it? What are the functions of this? Mainly the function is transportation of water and minerals and food to all parts of the plant. Get it? Okay, so now see, the complex permanent tissue is of two types. First is xylem and second is phloem. Okay, xylem and phloem. Okay, now xylem is made up of different cells and phloem is also made up of different cells. Okay, what are the cells? There are four types of cells we can say found in the xylem. First is the tracheids, second is vessels yet trachea, third is xylem parenchyma, and fourth is xylem sclerenchyma. Get it? Okay, like this phloem is made up of four types of cells. First is sieve tubes, second is companion cells, third is phloem parenchyma, and fourth is phloem fibers. Okay, so these are the two complex permanent tissue, xylem and phloem. Okay, get it? Now let's see, come to the xylem tissue. Okay, get it? The complex permanent tissue, first xylem. Okay, of xylem we have to see the structure. You can see the diagram also. Okay, on the right side you can see the diagram of xylem and phloem both. Okay, get it? The xylem here, first, the number one point of xylem is cells have a thick wall. Cells have a thick walls. Walls are thick in the xylem cells. Okay, and elements are, we have already studied about now we have already read this. Elements are tracheids, vessels, xylem parenchyma and xylem sclerenchyma. Okay, and vessels are most important element, are shorter and wider than tracheids. Okay, जो vessels है वो सबसे important. Okay, vessels are the important element है. Okay, और वो shorter होता है, wider होता है tracheids से. Vessels and tracheids have tube-like structure that help in transporting water and minerals vertically efficiently. Okay, जो vessels और tracheids है वो tube-like structures होती हैं. Okay, और उन tube-like structures का function क्या है? Transporting of water and minerals. Okay, so what is the function of xylem? The function of xylem is transportation of water and minerals. Okay, so these tissues transport the water and minerals. Get it? And xylem parenchyma store food. Okay, and help in lateral conduction of water. In addition to transporting water and minerals, salts from the root to leaves, xylem also provides support to the plants and trees because of its tough lignified vessels. Their vessels are lignified. Okay, lignified होती हैं. It means they are cemented with the substance, hard substance. Okay, so they are lignified. Okay, so it gives the support to the plant also. Okay, so there are two functions of the xylem. First is it transport the water and minerals from the roots to the leaves. Okay, from the roots to the leaves, and from the leaves to the roots also it provide the minerals. Okay, get it? So this is the structure of xylem. Get it? Now next is the phloem. Phloem, okay, sieve tubes. It also having, we have studied about the structure also. Okay, that xylem and phloem. Okay, in the xylem, phloem, you can see the structure of phloem. Okay, what are the elements of phloem? First, sieve tubes, companion cell, phloem parenchyma, okay, and phloem fibers. Get it? Okay, so now sieve tube you can see in the picture. There are it's in the vessels like a structure, it having a sieve plate, okay. Sieve plate contain the small holes, ओके. तो वाई वी आर सेइंग इट्स यू, क्योंकि आपने छलनी देखी है, स्कैनर चाहे छलनी जैसे चालनी जिसे बोलते हैं, ओके. उसमें क्या होते हैं, स्मॉल होल्स होते हैं लाइक दिस. तो इसमें भी क्या होता है, प्लेट होती है, प्लेट के ऊपर छोटे छोटे स्मॉल होल्स होते हैं, इसलिए इट्स नॉन एज सीयू प्लेट. ओके, गेट इट. तो यू कैन सी इन द पिक्चर ऑल्सो, या डायग्राम ऑल्सो. गेट इट. कंपेनियन सेल एंड each phloem tissue having a companion cell. Okay, उसके नियर बाय एक सेल होती है, सेल इज प्रेजेंट हियर एंड दिस सेल इज नॉन एज companion cell. Okay, get it. So these are the elements of the phloem. Now get it. What is the difference between xylem and phloem? So firstly, you know that xylem conduct water and minerals, and phloem conduct the food. What is the function of phloem? Phloem help in the conduction of food. Okay, food is made by the leaves and it is conducted by the food, then food prepared by the leaves, and then again this food is supplied to the till roots also. Okay, so it conduct the food. In the xylem, conduction take place in one direction only, and in the phloem occur in two direction, upward and downward. Okay, root से food कहाँ जाता है, leaves तक जाता है, और leaves से वापस से food जो होता है वो कहाँ तक आता है, roots को तक सप्लाई होता है. तो two direction से phloem में. Okay, but xylem ओनली वन डायरेक्शन में, सिंगल डायरेक्शन में क्या होता है, उसका कंडक्शन होता है. ओके, एंड जाइलम में कंडक्टिंग चैनल्स क्या होंगे, ट्रैकेट्स एंड वेसल्स, और फ्लोएम में कंडक्टिंग चैनल्स होती है सीव ट्यूब्स. ओके, जिसके थ्रू वाटर कंडक्शन हो रहा है, दैट दीज आर द चैनल्स. ओके, एंड वन जाइलम पैरेन्काइमा इज लिविंग, ऑल अदर एलिमेंट्स आर डेड. ओके, इन द जाइलम टिश्यू, ओनली जाइलम टिश्यू में जाइलम पैरेन्काइमा लिविंग है, बाकी सब डेड होती है, सारी सेल्स क्या होंगी, डेड होंगी. Okay, in phloem also all the elements are living, only the phloem fiber is dead. Okay, and xylem conduct and give mechanical strength also due to the presence of lignified vessels. Okay, it give the mechanical support to the plant. Okay, lignified होती है vessels, lignin से lignified होती है. Okay, and phloem conduct give no chemical strength. That is the difference between the xylem and phloem. Okay, get it? Yes.